PlayStation 4 controller connectivity issues are among the most common technical problems faced by users. These issues often stem from hardware aging, firmware conflicts, or cross platform usage complications. A hard reset can resolve these problems by refreshing the controller's connection protocols. There are three primary methods available, each with specific use cases and success rates. Method 1 involves using the physical reset button located on the back of the controller. This small button is positioned near the L2 trigger and requires a paperclip or similar tool to access. The second method involves allowing the controller battery to drain completely over 24 to 48 hours. This approach resets the internal power management system. The third method is a system-level reset that involves accessing the PlayStation's Bluetooth device settings. This method has the highest success rate at 81%. Success rates vary by method. The physical reset button achieves 72% success, battery drain method 58%, while system-level reset reaches 81%. Combining multiple approaches increases success to 94%. These reset procedures can extend controller usable life by 12 to 18 months, according to hardware specialists. Regular maintenance and proper reset techniques are essential for optimal controller performance.